in my life. I'm actually really excited to film this. I got a new camera, as you can see, and my quality is just so much more better now. Me and my sister are going thrifting. Also, this blonde hair is a moment. Stop playing with me.
Definitely.
I want to show you guys a little quick OOTD. So this is my outfit, y'all. Pants are from IMG. My shirt, I got it from like this random store in Times Square, and then my bag I thrifted. Also, I'm just gonna wear Air Forces on my feet. But I also wanted to point out my earrings. It's from Shasta Co, I think it's called, and it's black owned. Cute. Make sure you guys go check her out. Okay. Tell them what you're wearing.
You know, my little rompers from RUMI. Stole this purse from Cheyenne.
I got it from
and I got some, you know, Doc Martens on. Got a little hair moment going on.
We're gonna go thrifting now. Obviously, I'm bringing along. Obviously, I'm bringing you guys along with me. So yeah, let's go. Actually, we're gonna get food before we go thrifting because Shania's hungry. We're going to the Goodwill to go find some cute stuff, hopefully. I haven't been thrifting in so long, so if I don't find something cute, I'm crying. I really can't. Vlogging is so awkward. People just stare at you so crazy. Bitch. Here we are at the Goodwill. I kid you not, we literally just waited 25 minutes for a freaking cart, but you know, whatever. I love that for me. I'm probably gonna get this because, fun fact, I was born in New York. Look at the jacket I found. It's kind of big, but I feel like it's giving me like an oversized look. And I also found juicy sweatpants. As soon as we got home, we put our clothes in the washing machine. We just like threw everything in the washing machine, and one of our brown jackets like dyed all of the clothes.
There's like tissue everywhere. Something must have had tissue in the pocket.
Oh my god. In the other pocket, I put my debit card in there.
That's not what's making it for
No, I put something else too, the receipts.
Cheyenne.
Oh my god, I put my debit card in here and the receipt in my...
That's why it's doing it. Girl, fuck your credit card. There's stick up my pants.
Oh my god, not the tissue on my credit card, y'all.
Ew.
She wonders why I don't trust nobody, not even her. I still try. She wonders why I don't trust nobody, not even her. I still try. She wonders why I don't trust nobody, not even her. I still try. She wonders why I don't trust nobody, not even her. I still try. She wonders why I don't trust nobody, not even her. She wonders why.
Hi vlog, it's a new day, obviously. Right now me and my sister are just going to the pool with our friend. I forgot to show you all the stuff that we thrifted that day because we kind of just put it in the washing machine, then I went to sleep. It's currently 5 o'clock. I spent this whole morning basically installing this wig. I recorded it in a video, that's obviously why I wasn't like vlogging it and stuff. But yeah, just so you guys know, this isn't like filmed in like consecutive days. I've been home for the last 2 days. Y'all, I just realized I walked into the car without shoes on. I don't know what I'm about to do. I'm gonna look so stupid tonight. We have to turn around. I would walk out of my house without shoes on. I just got distracted. But yeah, this should be interesting. At least my toes are actually done. That was really freaking dumb of me. To the pool we go. Update on the life of Cheyenne. This is a fucking all-time low. I'm walking around with socks on. I'm not even kidding. I literally have socks on my feet. This is so embarrassing. Like, I just wanted to go to fucking CVS to get some shoes, and she's like, oh no, we're not going to CVS. All we're doing is going to the pool. And my friend is like a fucking size 4, and Shania didn't have any shoes in her car. This is so embarrassing. I could cry right now, you guys. At least the lighting's good. Shania's mad at me because I'm not really good with time management, and we were supposed to be at the pool like hours ago. I still get stuff done, okay?
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I've been consistent on my YouTube channel for at least
Can I get a picture today?
a month
you're gonna
now.
be like, this tongue's going.
I didn't want to take a picture anyway because
Yeah, but
I didn't get to do my makeup.
But if you had time to do your makeup, you would have, like, are you not getting what we're...
Stop recording me! Oh my god. This is, I'm literally, ow, I'm walking on rocks! Oh my god, this is so painful. It's us going to the pool when the sun is setting. The queen has arrived, period.
So, me using eyeshadow as blush. I use eyeshadow as blush.
Sometimes the pigment's just better.
I want some. Oh, I think I did pretty good. You can still see it a little bit. That's good though. I think that's good enough. I don't want to look like I got choked. I feel like so trashy when I have a hickey. I don't know why. I just feel, I don't know.
Okay, so it's a new day. I just got this package from Kit & Co. Jewelry. Last night I didn't open it yet, so I went to open it like on camera and show you guys. And they asked me to like wear their jewelry in a TikTok or something. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys all the PR packages. So I'm wearing the juicy pants that I got when I thrifted. Excuse my hair, I kind of just woke up and took off my bonnet. I didn't really do it. Okay, but yeah, Kit & Co. sent me jewelry so I can like post it in a TikTok. So yeah, this is the box. Ooh. Oh my god, so cute. This is also like a black owned business, so I was really excited about that. I'm gonna make that TikTok that I'm supposed to make later, so I'll show you guys all the jewelry then because I'm probably gonna put all of it on. Next, I got this like 2 days ago. Oh, let me not show you my address. So I opened it already, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna show you guys. It's from Arrive Beauty. I entered this thing on TikTok and it was like, oh, enter to be the face of Arrive Beauty. And like I made it past like the first round of like the test or whatever. You just had to like enter it and like show them your social media platforms and all that. Just give all your information and whatnot. So I made it to round 2. Round 2, they're supposed to send you the products and you're supposed to like make a video with it basically. A test video to see if they like want you as their like face. But basically there was like a snowstorm somewhere and I didn't get my package till like the day before it was due. Like the little test that we had to do. I didn't get my package until the day before it was due and I told her and she was like, oh, like I have the Zoom call with the client the next day, so I don't know if you can send it before then. And I could not send it before then, like I had other things to do and whatnot. So that really sucks. I kind of like missed out on the opportunity, but at least I got like a little, what is this? It's a skin tint and it's in the shade dark. That actually looks like my color, surprisingly. Next, I'm saving the best for last, by the way. There's only one more thing after this. Honestly, I got this like 3 weeks ago, but I never really opened it, so I'll show you guys anyway. This is from, so dumb. Oh, it's from Merit, and I also have a coupon code. I'm gonna put it on the screen somewhere. It's crazy because I feel like I don't have that much like of a platform. Like I don't have that many followers. Honestly, I think I'll just show you guys when I'm doing my makeup and I'll use like all the stuff that they gave me. It's like a highlighting balm, a shade stick, I think that's lipstick, lengthening mascara, like a tinted brow gel. I'm gonna do my makeup later for the TikTok that I'm supposed to make for the jewelry, for Kit & Co jewelry, and I'll show you guys basically all the stuff. And it came with a little cute little bag. So cute. And last but not least, this is a ring light. You know what, I'm actually gonna build it right now because I got this like 2 weeks ago and I still haven't built it yet. But yeah, this company sent me a ring light. All of the links for all this stuff is gonna be down low in the description box if anyone cares. Yeah, it's really crazy. Like I was saying earlier, I feel like I don't have like a big following or anything like that. So yeah, I'm really grateful for that. I'm just gonna build it for you guys really quick, and then we'll do the thrift haul. Thanks to iGrab. Shout out to them. I think they gave me 2 ring lights. Yeah, they gave me like a mini one. Almost reached 10K, so why not do a giveaway? That's a good idea. If anybody wants a ring light, I think I'm gonna do a giveaway. The details for this giveaway will be at the end of the video. If anybody wants a 10-inch ring light, brand new. I have no clue. I just thought about this on spot. So I ended up just building the ring light off camera because I ran out of space on my memory card. This is it. I believe it's like 14 inches. It also came with this little piece. You can put your phone on it or you can take it off, and I believe you could screw your camera on there. There's also an app that you can use to like change the brightness, change like the settings, which kind of light you want. Also, it comes with a remote. But yeah, all the links to this ring light will be down below in the description box. It's from iGrab. So this is probably my favorite thing that I got. Ooh, they're from Banana Republic. They're kind of just some corduroy pants. Very cute. They're kind of wrinkled right now, but they kind of have like a oversized baggy fit, I guess. And then I got this slip dress. I tried this on already, and honestly it's kind of small for me, but if I adjust the straps then it's okay. I got this shirt that just says I love New York. I feel like it would look really cute with some jewelry or something. It's like a baby shirt or like a kid's shirt, but it's gonna look like a crop top on me. But yeah, I got this jacket. It's so cute. I swear the zipper was on it when I was there. Damn. Like, I remember zipping it up, and then it just went in the washing machine. I don't know if it broke in the washing machine or if I'm tripping. But yeah, this is so cute.
I got a whole bunch of low-rise jeans. Super cute. Levi's, you feel me?
And they're kind of flared at the bottom.
Yeah, they're all flared at the bottom.
That's so cute.
Super cute. And this one's just really like selling all of these on my Depop. This jacket is just so cute, I thought. Super cute, furry in the inside. Yeah, I love it. I think this means like cute young thing in like Portuguese or something. I already wore it. I wore it yesterday. It was so cute.
Well, I'm just gonna do my makeup now. The lighting is weird. I burnt my eyebrow with the hot comb the other day. I'm gonna use this Merit Beauty blush. I usually like more coral toned blushes, but this is giving me like a grape vibe. I usually don't put that much powder, y'all. This is the Day Glow Highlighting Balm. Ooh. I don't think that's doing much. I'm gonna use the Lengthening Clean Lash Mascara from Merit. We're gonna see how this is. The Morphe Trendsetter Lip Liner is the GOAT. Period. This is the finishing look. I'm gonna put an outfit on now, and then I'll show you guys all the Kit & Co jewelry. I'm vlogging on my phone right now. I just don't feel like going upstairs and getting my camera. Let me show you guys the jewelry. So they sent me these earrings, the silver ones right here. And then they sent me this ring. This ring is also theirs, but I bought this like a while ago. And then the butterfly necklace, where is it? The butterfly one is from them as well. And then this bracelet, so cute. So like I said, I am doing a giveaway. It's for